thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, oh thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, hi. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in lifestyle and challenge videos. That is what I post, so make sure to stick around and subscribe. I promise you won't be disappointed. But anyways, in today's video I am going to be doing the part 2 of sending my friends a quiz or a survey to see how they respond. If you haven't already seen my part 1, then I recommend checking that one out before this one. I'll link it in the description as well in the somewhere over here. So yeah, go watch it before this one. My phone ran out of storage and now I don't know what I was saying. And so basically, if you don't know what this video is, I made a survey on Google Forms about myself, and I had questions related to me, and I told my best friend to send it to all my friends, and I told her to send it to about 20 people, but she ended up sending to 39. And now I feel bad if I don't include everyone in it, but still it's not possible for me to include 39 surveys in this video. It will be like 40 to 45 minutes long, and I don't want to do that. So I'm sorry if you're watching this and you filled out the survey and your survey isn't in the video. Okay, I was explaining what this video. Yeah, so they sent out the survey and I'm gonna read them. Last time I picked chits, but I'm pretty sure my mom threw out the chits. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and read all the other surveys that I hadn't read in the last one. So let's get started. Okay, so the first survey will be, let's see, RM1. Okay. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? 7th grade. He was my junior, so I was in 8th. What was your first impression about Ayushi? Sucks at basketball, calculated that she's Punjabi, but man, I'm bad at maths. How did you calculate that okay, I'm not even Punjabi, so yeah, you're bad at maths. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Spot on. Okay. Rate Ayushi's looks 10. Rate Ayushi's personality 9. Thank you. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk. I would say we are good friends. A flaw that Ayushi has is she needs to work on basketball. She doesn't know it. Okay, I won't say I'm that bad. Like, okay, I'm bad, but not that bad. What words describe Ayushi the best? Badhiya aadmi hai. Thank you. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this? No one told me this was a video. Lies, deception. Subscribe. Why else would you get a survey to answer questions about me? But anyways, thank you, Araman. Next one, Gaurav. Okay. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? At Orchids, 7th grade. Yes. What was your first impression about Ayushi? I thought she was foreign. She's a foreigner. Oh yes, I remember. He thought that I didn't know how to speak in Hindi, so he was telling Purvika that isko to Hindi nahi aati hogi. And then I said, aapko kisne bola mujhe Hindi nahi aati? And then he was shocked that I knew how to speak in Hindi. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Not at all. Yes, I'm not a foreigner. Rate Ayushi's looks 10. Rate Ayushi's personality 10. Thank you. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk. I think we are good friends. A flaw that Ayushi has that she needs to work on. I don't know any, to be honest, and I think our flaws make us who we are. So no need to work on it. Yes, I would agree. What words describe Ayushi the best? Chill and sweet. Thank you. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? I don't think people should rate you or anybody because everyone's a 10 on 10 in their own way. Yes. If this wasn't a trend, I wouldn't have done it. I possibly would have, but it's all fun over here. This is a fun channel. Subscribe. Okay, Nilay. Okay. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? Orchids, Thane. Yes. What was your first impression about Ayushi? Tall, white girl. Okay. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? A little. Okay. Rate Ayushi's looks 8. Ayushi's personality 8. Also, I've decided not to say thank you in this video, so I'll just do random hand symbols. Just take it as thank you. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk. A flaw that Ayushi has that she needs to work. I don't know. I'm not a psychic. Okay. What word describes Ayushi the best? Tall, smart, creative, not lazy. Basically the complete opposite of me. I'm very lazy. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? You see the like button down there. If you click it, it turns blue, just like the ocean at the beach. And who doesn't like the beach? Yes. Who doesn't like the beach? So, like this video. Thank you, Nilay. Next. Purvika. Yay! So, Purvika, aka the best person in the whole world. She wrote that, not me. Kidding. Okay, next. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? School 2015, I guess, and 2014. What was your first impression about Ayushi? Oh no, I was super rude to you and I thought you would act like a foreigner. Yes, she was very rude to me. Another story time. Yay! So basically, I went to class and I joined the school 8 days late, so I was a week late. And I entered the class and this one girl told me to sit next to her. So I was like, okay, I'll sit there. And then turns out it was Purvika's place. So she came and she's like, hey, get up, this is my place. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I got up. Yeah, she was kind of rude to me. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Not at all. Thank you. Rate Ayushi's looks 10, personality 10. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk here. We never talk. A flaw that Ayushi has that she needs to work on: takes everything way too personal. Okay, am I still reading Purvika's reply? Yes, I am. Okay, I don't take everything way too personal, Purvika. What word describes Ayushi the best? She can make you feel home even if you don't know her. She will make you feel comfortable and warm. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? Go and subscribe to my channel as well. Yes, do it. I'll link it down below. Thank you, Purvika. Okay, Neil Mukherjee. Okay. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? School? Yes. What was your first impression? A good and a sweet girl. Thank you. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Not at all. Okay. So I'm not good basically. Rate Ayushi's looks 9. Thank you. Rate Ayushi's personality 8. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk. Yes. A flaw that Ayushi has? Nothing. What word describes Ayushi the best? Very much creative and innovative. Thank you. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? Okay, for a second I thought the camera was not recording. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video now? Please watch our videos and do like and share our videos. Yes. Also subscribe. I'm just going to keep plugging my channel. Plug, plug, plug. I need to stop throwing around peace signs, and I also need to stop saying thank you. I'm gonna start saying gracias. Next. Rajiv Ghade. Okay. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? I met her in school in 11th grade at Universal High. Yes. What was the first impression about Ayushi? Nice, simple girl, not very mischievous, and thodi si padaku and very much organized. Okay, that is a very long first impression of me, but thank you. Noted. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? A little. Okay. Rate Ayushi's looks 10, personality 10. How well do you know each other? We rarely talk. I would say we are good friends. Flaw that Ayushi has is she needs to work on: too emotional and words ki hera fairy. I don't know what words ki hera fairy means, but okay. What word describes Ayushi the best? Organized. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? Support her. Thank you, Rajiv. Also, like 2-3 people filled the survey out like 3 times, so that's why the number of surveys is less now. Archita. When and when did you meet Ayushi? Orchids 2015 or 16? 2014. This is the 4th person who got it wrong. What was your first impression? A kind, extremely fair I can't speak. A kind, extremely fair soul. Okay. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Spot on. Rate Ayushi's looks 10, personality 10. Gracias. How well do you know each other? We are good friends. Yes. A flaw that Ayushi has that she needs to work on? Nothing. Okay. What word describes Ayushi the best? Loyal, optimistic, and kind. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching? Stream Little Mix's new single breakup song. Yes. Stream it on Spotify or I don't know, wherever you listen to your songs. Chinmay Page. Where and when did you meet Ayushi? Indonesia, when we were 4 years old. What was your first impression? I don't remember. I would be shocked if you remembered. Is Ayushi anything like your first impression? Spot on. Okay. Rate Ayushi's looks 8, personality 9. How well do you know each other? We are best friends. Yes. A flaw that Aishi has that she needs to work on. She needs to talk to her friends more. Okay. What word describes Aishi the best? All-rounder. Thank you. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching this video right now? Like, share and subscribe. Thank you, Chinmay. Next, Anushka. Where and did you meet Aishi? 8th grade. Orchids, yes. What was your first impression? Damn, she is also from Africa. How the hell we didn't meet there? Oh wait, sorry. Literally, when I stayed in Africa, we both went to the same dance class, to the same school, lived in the same area, but we never met until we came to India. That's crazy. Is Aishi anything like your first impression of her? Spot on. Okay. Rate Aishi's looks 9. Rate Aishi's personality 8. Thank you. How well do you know each other? We are best friends. Yes. A flaw that Aishi has that she needs to work out, need to open up to me. What word describes Aishi the best? Diligent, hardworking and caring. Thank you. And lastly, do you have any words for the people watching? Like, share and subscribe. Also go follow my art account. You should have left the user ID. Yes, go follow her art account. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I had so much fun filming both these parts. Again, if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe and also make sure to watch the part 1 of this video. And thank you for everyone who filled out the survey. But yeah, that was it for this video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also follow me on my Instagram. It is at AyushiXmanhas. I'll link it in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I post every Thursday and Sundays. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.